Hi everybody, Paul here again. One of the major components on the air conditioning system in your vehicle is called a compressor clutch. This plays a major role in providing cool air. This is what a typical air conditioner compressor looks like, which will be located by the front of the engine, by the drive belt. You'll also see two refrigerant lines attached to it, like you see here. The AC compressor clutch is located here on the outside of the pulley wheel. The clutch only turns when it's called upon to circulate refrigerant through the air conditioner system. So the clutch turns on and off as needed to deliver cool air. The clutch system is electromagnetic, which is what allows it to engage or disengage from the compressor pulley wheel. The clutch system consists of a clutch, a pulley bearing, and a clutch coil. If the air conditioner control button on your vehicle ever starts blinking like you see here, then this is a warning sign that the clutch on the compressor is not turning like it's supposed to. One of the reasons a clutch can stop turning is due to the failure of a very small part called a clutch relay, which I'm holding here in my hand. This will usually be located in the engine compartment. Simply remove the fuse and relay box cover. On the inside of the cover, you'll see labeled what each fuse and relay is for. Here's the magnetic clutch relay, abbreviated MGCLT. With the key out of the ignition, first remove the magnetic clutch relay. As long as your horn works, remove the horn relay and reinstall it where the magnetic clutch relay goes. Now start the vehicle and turn the air conditioner back on. If the air conditioner control button stops blinking and the clutch starts turning, then you know the original clutch relay is bad and needs to be replaced. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. And while you guys are fixing your vehicle, Sparky and I'll be recycling ourselves.